Meaning of dry slope.
Dry slope.
Dry slope.
Dry slope.
Dry slope. A dry slope typically refers to a ski slope or snowboarding terrain that does not rely on natural snowfall, but instead uses artificial materials such as plastic or carpet to simulate the sensation of snow. These slopes can be found in areas where natural snow is scarce or during warmer months when snow has melted. Dry slopes allow year-round skiing and snowboarding, and are often used for training and practice. However, skiing or snowboarding on dry slopes may feel different than on natural snow, particularly in terms of speed and texture.